Speaker sir, answer is as per the answer is provided to the honourable MLA.
Speaker sir, this issue I have been raising for almost every assembly about foods. Foodsachi उलयता आसतना foodsacho department is doing their part. But whether the government can make a statement, whatever je jevan ami jota, is it safe or not? That is the final round, final answer we want from everybody. Jai Goinkarang जाऊं गोय आता है तेंका जेवण safe आहे काय म्हणून reads मारले ते. I was checking the reads. Reads and check केलाय थोड्या fine मारल्या. I'll finish the brief. Fine मारल्या कोणा 1,000 मारल्या कोणा 5,000 मारल्या कोणा 10,000 मारल्या थोडी केसेस तुवें कोर्टान धाडल्या. आता I was looking at the cases. तितू एक even तुवें एक ऑफनेजी मारल्या. मारपाकूच जाय. ऑफनेज म्हणून सोडून जायना. मारपाकूच जाय. But एक मिनिट. So what I am on this, बाबा तुवें रेड मारल्या तितू थिंग फाइंडिंग्स कितें? What are your findings? Now you have raided chicken stalls. You have raided peas. You have raided pulao, biryani. I want to know what is your findings. Whether the food will be safe after you raid it, and what steps you are going to take to see that this part, जेवण आहा ते आमी safe जेवताय काय ना ते चोवपाक clear cut answer जाय म्हाका.
Speaker sir, honourable बाब रेजिनाल्डा खबर आमी उलयतालेच जेन्ना FDA जेन्ना आमी आयज FDA चे जे सक्रिय एक भूमिका घेतलेली आसा कारण सगळ्या लोकांची कंप्लेन आशिल्ली पयली की आमी योग्य तरेन आमी ते एक्शन घेना आनी ते रेड नो स्पीकर सर ते इन्स्पेक्शन करता आनी इन्स्पेक्शन करून ते गेट द पीपल ऑन द बोर्ड. तुवें जे सांगला I think that the department is doing a very good job and the director has been given a free hand to see whatever is required as per the rules and also not harass anybody. There is no intention to harass anybody but to get people on board, even if there are cards and other things, counsel them and try to tell them and get them those certified, whatever the certification that is required without troubling them. But तुवें जे सांगला ते योग्य तरेन डिपार्टमेंट चलता. तुका स्पेसिफिक म्हाका जर कितें विचारपाक जाय ते स्पेसिफिक म्हाका सांग with the example of any particular place where you are concerned about. I'll take it up with the department.
Because sir, I don't want to make specific because say that then I'll be targeting somebody. But I just want to know, here पर तू रेड मारता, थोड्यांको लायसन्स आसता.
honorable member सांगता कित्याक रेजिनाल्डाचे फॉलोइंग व्हडल्या सोशल मिडियाचेर आनी तुजे ते फॉलोइंग व्हडल्या म्हणून तुका सांगता हांव फकाणां मारिना तूं बेश्टे म्हाका तो पळोवं नाका हांव खरेंच सांगता. पूण कितें आहा ते रेड न्हू ते इन्स्पेक्शन सर्वेलन्स नाल्यार लोकांक करता रेड मारता FDA रेड न्हू इट्स इन्स्पेक्शन सर्वेलन्स ते सर्वेलन्साच्या आदारात कितें ऑनरेबल मेंबर सांगूंक सोदता स्पेसिफिकली म्हाका सांग ते नांव घेवपाची गरज ना एरिया सांगल्यार पुरो.
ओके सॉसेस पासून इवन इन सॉसेस इवन इन तुगेले नगेट्स जावन चीज फूड्स जावन तुगेले whatever येता what is the percentage that minimum of chicken nuggets and chicken nuggets minimum कितो आसपा जाय chicken कितो आसपा जाय who is checking whether they are coming whether the fillers कितो उमके percentage chicken आसता and the rest fillers आसता what is the percentage
परत सांगता ऑनरेबल मेंबराक विचारूंक सोदता तूं आतां ते चिकन कंटेंट आनी चिकन कितलें आहा म्हणून सांगलें तुका एक्झॅक्टली कितें जाय तें म्हाका बरोवन दी मागीर हांव डायरेक्टरा कडल्यान घेता आनी तुका डिमांड ना आय एम आस्किंग आय एम नॉट जोकिंग ऑनरेबल मेंबराक स्पेसिफिक दिवन दी डिमांडाच्या वेळार उत्तर आय विल गिव यू द क्लॅरिफिकेशन.
माय क्वेश्चन तीन क्वेश्चन पण म्हाका सारके विचारनी बिकॉज सर आय एम हियर फॉरगेट अबाउट श्रावणा चिकना उलोवपाचें तें सगळें विसर बट इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणलें श्रावण जालें काय ना सगळें खाताय आनी नाक त्यो वस्तूय खाताय बट इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणल्यार कितें whether these foods are safe or not is the big question. Can he make a statement department and की आमी आता रेड मारना जाल्यार तूं म्हणटा इन्स्पेक्शन करताय तूं म्हणटा वी आर चेकिंग कित्याक आज पळय आहा प्लीज अंडरस्टँड आज कॅन्सर केसीस इन्क्रीज जाले एंड वन ऑफ द मेन रिजन डॉक्टर म्हणटाय की कॅन्सर केसीस जाता इज बिकॉज ऑफ द फूड. इट इज अ व्हेरी सिरियस टॉपिक इट इज नॉट टू बी जोक्ड. हें फकाण करपाक हें इशू न्ही. आय एम नॉट कॅस्टिगेटिंग हिम. हांव सदांच एसेंब्ली सदांच कंटिन्युअसली 4 टर्म मुगे असेंब्ली येला मुझे फकाण पासून केला हिंगा प्रॉब्लम फकाण केल म्हणना फकाण
we are serious but only I wanted to give me specifically because I'll just tell you why honorable CM will also agree. आमी जेन्ना विधानसभेन उत्तरां दिता तेन्ना हांवें जर सांगलें हांव सगळें चॅक करून खरेंच लोकांक दिसतलें की हांव सगळे कडेन धाड मारपाचो तशें ना तें तू स्पेसिफीक कितें तुका जाय
स्पीकर मार
ना ना
विवरण घेवपा जाय जेवण सेफ जावपा जाय
ऑनरेबल स्पीकर
जेवण सेफ जावपा जाय
what I am asking on
मार तू रेड मारना सराव नाका मार
मार ते
inspection कोण नाका रेड मार
ऑनरेबल मेंबराक स्पेसिफिक कितें विशयचेर
one question एकूच question
विचारून दी हांव करता
क्वेश्चन विचारता तुगे फायंडिंगान तू कित मेळ्ळा तुवें आतां कित मेळ्ळें तें रेड मारला तुवें म्हणटा तुवें हें केलें इन्स्पेक्शन केलें वॉट आर युअर फायंडिंग्स कित मेळ्ळें तुका ते जेवणांत कित मेळ्ळां तुका हें मेळ्ळां तुका प्लास्टिक्स मेळ्ळा तुका कित मेळ्ळां तुका जेवणांत कित एडल्टरेटेड मेळ्ळां वन क्लियर कट आन्सर फॉर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा टू नो वॉट यू गॉट इन दॅट रेट
No, what you got in my head means what you got in the raid. I didn't understand.
In your raid, in your head you have lot of things.
Raid.
In the raid,
you ask.
or in
Again,
the
I'm
inspection,
asking you.
in the inspection. मातशें आतां inspection केलें तूं म्हणटा रेड मारला inspection केलें किती मेळ्ळां what are the findings for the people of Goa to know
Because
लोकांक
जायते कडेन डायरेक्टर जे पळयता तुमी आयज सोशल मिडियाचेर पळयता ते जायते कडेन जे हायजिनीक गोश्टी ना जे कितें कंटेंट सारकें ना ती आपल्या रूल बुक प्रमाणे शी इज गोईंग एवरीवेअर एंड डुईंग इट ऑल्सो द आर्टिफिशियल रायपनिंग दॅट इज टेकिंग प्लेस amount that she has clamped down on, that's why you see much it is reduced, and every time we take it and then you have to destroy that particular thing or file a FIR on somebody, but whatever as per the rule is there, I think in every nook and corner, north, south.
He is not answering the question. He is not answering the question.
I'll just answer it.
You answer the question.
But we got
found. What you found?
Speaker sir, there is everything that is been, all the surveillance and the inspections that have been carried out. And exactly, I'll answer.
You're not specific.
I will give you a specific.
Was an MLA towing a plastic tantia. As that time sanglo tene. Specific. No, honorable member at that time had made a claim. Aaj ki zyada speaker sir ki roadside food carts that are there. We know ki oil reuse korida asta mano. Speaker sir, in your answer, honorable minister has said ki the department claims to act on an intelligence input. This is your answer. And file criminal cases. Honest Speaker sir, this sounds serious, but we have to ask the honorable minister ki how many
brainstorm differently.
Have happened in the last
We had a
2 years because of your this enforcement. Speaker sir, department je claim koda inspection aje intelligence input. Who provides this input? What is the mechanism today you have to verify? Is there any coordination with the police, local bodies, civil society? Speaker sir, yeah, department munta answeran, you have said filing of criminal cases. So how many of these cases have actually led to convictions? Speaker sir, FDA conducted, what is your target? Random only on intelligence input. Randomly, do you conduct targets on school canteens, fast food outlets? Are there repeated offenders for a height? Are there any repeated offenders? Have you blacklisted them? Currently, have they been caught? What is the data, Speaker sir? What is the sanctioned strength in your department? Is it enough to akke goings to park? Pratyekar to bahar gating gaadi astale. Te oil con check kotalo. Do you have a system in place? Because as a very important thing that the MLA has said, ki today cancer is rising. You know how it is rising. First thing is the source. And this source today that food in Goa is safe. How do you exactly give an assurance?
I totally agree with the leader of opposition is that this is a very tricky issue, and as a result of which it is not only tricky, it requires more surveillance, and whatever we have, whatever teams we have, we are managing, and also we are keeping a tab on the usual areas and locations, specifically on the coastal belt and other areas where these things are repetitive. If you ask me, I'll give you example. I will give you example. Like in Goa Medical College, जे बाहेर थोडे कार्ड्स आशिल्ले, एका टायमाक आमी ते कार्ड सगळे बंद केल्ले. मागीर आमी तांकां सर्टिफिकेशन घेवंक लायले. तरी बी आमी मॉनिटर करता एकदां न्हू परत आमकां धाडचे पडटा. तुवें जे सांगले आयज तालिगांव कार्ड आसता, तालिगांव ताका खबर आहा त्या कार्डाक आमी तांकां
repeated offenders high department
we have got a list. You wanted exact finding of the report. I have asked the director exactly from the time she has taken over The total report, I'm placing it today only on the
No,
floor.
no, no, not
One
the
sec,
report.
one sec. See,
What action,
one
what
sec.
have you blacklisted?
As far as the, can
Are you
I,
able to Goa Centric तुझ्यान जाता डिपार्टमेंट करून जाता?
बसून घ्या.
हांव उत्तर दिता
उत्तर
मातशें
दिता.
एका सो-
बस.
म्हाका then he can question me on whatever he wants. Basically, as far as the FDA is concerned, each and every place and wherever there are clusters, you are talking about these cards. If you look at the.
No, you are saying intelligence input. Can you speak?
Intelligence
Who gives you
input
this
is the
intelligence?
internal input of the department. I don't have any other intelligence to give me intelligence. I have that.
No, no.
One sec, I will tell you.
पुढच्या विद्यार्थी प्रश्न उत्तर दिला नाही.
Story कर मरे.
बरोबर हा नाही सगळीकडे
video
चालतं
लिहाव.
आहे.
एक
Monitor,
उत्तर
monitor.
घाल.
प्रश्नकाल सोपताना
तो काय तू उलयता
कुठल्या
आता
राज्यात
काय
complaint
explain करता?
करता?
काय ते दिता?
जुराबो श्री कृष्ण साळकर